So, getting started with the Raspberry Pi Zero. It's one of these. That's Raspberry Pi. It's basically Raspberry Pi 1. I can tell you that next. That's tiny ARM system. Costs £5 without Wi-Fi, £8 with Wi-Fi. Some people saw them earlier in the workshop, but they've got 3 ports on them. 2 USB ports and a HDMI port. There's no network. There's some wireless on the new ones. How do you get started on them? They've got USB on the go. They can pretend to be a keyboard, a mouse, a serial port, my personal favourite, or an Ethernet card. Most people have got Ethernet. Most people have got Ethernet drivers. Ethernet USB does mostly just work. I'm not going to show you how to image your card with Raspbian. It's too slow. Those are the instructions I've cribbed from. It's on GitHub. There's a link at the end. But I'm actually going to show you, because I'm a Unix engineer. This is what you do. You find the right Pi first of all. You get the one you want, okay if you break. So this will be a live demo, because that's a good idea.
Enlightening talk.
So, I'm sure the Unix engineers are following what we're doing here. I've got a Mac. It mounts here. I'm going to tell it to run SSH. I'm going to enable the USB on-the-go modules. And I'm going to do something complicated, which basically puts this string at the end of the kernel command line. So then our systemd overlords can load the right module. Thanks for that. So, it's mounted. I'm going to be really confident now. If anybody cares, that's called Little Flocker, and it's a mandatory access control for Macs. Ta-da! Disk util, that's the one. Unmount volumes boot. Ta-da! So, written it out. I can predict where the files are going to be because it is always mounted in the same place because it mounts by file name. It's Mac. And now, let's see if my Mac sees an Ethernet card. Nope. My own script. My script does tries to SSH into it every so often. Because it's a .local, DNS might not work. So every 30 seconds I run a command which is trying to SSH into it. So with any luck, my Pi, it's got its green light on, it's looking up. So I'm trying to log into this because this is going to appear on my Mac as an Ethernet card. And we're going to have some magic IPv6 which gives me some local addresses and gives me some local DNS. So .local is deeply, deeply magic. It's all multicast DNS. If you've called your domain .local, please change it. Otherwise, I will come in and get very grumpy when nothing works, or your printers don't work, or you can't find your Raspberry Pis because it's not sufficiently magic. So, it's booted. So I've gone from no hostname to I've got a hostname, and it's connection refused. Minute. Come on, Raspberry Pi. There we go. Ta-da! USB 0. So that's how you get going. And that's the GitHub gist. It's not my gist, I've pinched it, but it does just work.